don't you get the crumpled up one out of the way?
Hello and welcome to another thrilling episode of
Will It Reuben.
Will It Reuben. We're your hosts, Lobo.
And the detective.
And then off camera, as usual, working the strings is...
Armelato!
Hey.
A simple suggestion becomes a question, becomes a lifelong pursuit.
Will it Reuben?
Will it?
Could it Reuben? Will it Reuben?
I don't know. We should find out.
Should it Reuben?
Let's Reuben it.
So today, we have another thing that she has Reubenized. And gotta be honest, is extra secretive. Normally I get to film the B-roll of it when it comes out, but I didn't get to see it today, so... I'm not as certain it'll be good.
Going in real blind.
So, I just want to get it out there that this idea came from beloved member of the complex, ItsDiggle.
I don't know.
So, it's his idea, so...
So it's Diggle's.
Yes. So...
Okay. You're holding spoons. That's not always a good sign.
Yeah, so here we go.
Ugh.
Diggle said we should Reuben baby food.
Reuben baby
What
food?
the-
Hmm.
Did I have to get a baby spoon?
It's the only baby spoon we had. I got the other
We
smallest
got a little
one.
baby spoon. This looks not great.
It looks like cat food.
Does it smell like cat food?
I don't think so. I didn't really...
I mean, notice how you don't have anything.
Yeah, you know, I figured I'd sit this one out.
Not gonna try it?
Yeah, that's okay.
So I'm writing baby food.
We
on
gotta
top
make
of
sure
the
that's
thing.
known in there, that she didn't try it.
Oh my god, let me get a spoon.
This is unrelentless.
I think probably the most unappetizing part of it is the fact that it's in a baby food jar.
Yeah, I mean, because really, what is baby food but just pureed?
I mean, this is just a dip. If I had a chip or something, I would eat the shit out of this.
It looks like mousse.
Okay, you
It's
know
like we're
what?
just eating dip.
I actually thought about... There's bread in there. I thought about, like, toasting the bread into, like, almost pita chips, you know? So it would be like a dip, but then that's not baby food. So Diggle said, blend it up, put it in a jar. So that's what I did. Let me
Yep.
try it.
Grossing you out?
I think you're right. A lot of it's the presentation.
Mm-hmm.
Because there is something kind of,
Like
Kinda like-
dip about it.
yeah, like crab dip.
I
or
can
like,
see that. There is kind of
like
a
a
lot
good spinach and artichoke.
This would go really good on like a captain's wafer.
Yeah, there's a kind of a lot of Thousand Island because it's the only like anything close to liquidy to make it like smooth. It's still pretty chunky though.
I'll be honest, I'm kind of struggling because like it's not bad.
Yeah, the taste isn't terrible. It tastes
Eating
like,
this
really
isn't
great.
gross.
I don't want to eat it though.
And like when you said that there's a lot of Thousand Island in it because it's kind of the only liquid, that was really gross.
It just looks nasty.
There's something about it that reminds me of vacation though.
Yeah, like it's like you would have it on a chip.
I mean, I can toast up some bread. And you can use it as dip real quick if you want to try it.
It also though at the same time, I can't tell if I feel like it should be colder or warmer. You know what I mean? Should this be hot? Should this be refrigerated?
Not a huge fan.
I'm gonna see if I can keep eating this throughout this episode.
I mean, do you want me to toast a piece of bread so we can try it?
No.
So the first one's texture, right?
Yeah, and on that note,
About that.
the bread, you can tell there's bread in
You
this.
can. There's little giblies of it. Little studio giblies. God damn it, Diggle.
How did it texture, do you think?
Not good.
How would
It's
you-
it's like a chip dip, but with Diggle's added request of this container, it's really gross. So it's kind of like cat food.
Yeah, I have to say no as well.
Is the texture bad? Yes.
I feel like that texture might be as far away as you can get from like a Reuben texture.
I mean, it's
if
not.
I close my eyes and eat a spoonful, I don't even for a moment imagine I'm eating a Reuben.
It's like you've already eaten the Reuben, though. You're
Oh.
you're starting like 3/4 of the way through eating the Reuben. It's like it's just a mouthful of already chewed up Reuben.
It's like if we were cows, what I assume is the bread makes it really like gives it like a weird granular texture,
Well, also,
and every now and then you get a little sauerkraut.
yeah, the cheese I feel like probably didn't break down.
Forgot
that
there was
great.
cheese in this. I'm starting to think that might be what I'm getting.
Oof. I do wonder like spread it out on some toast though and toasted all of it together.
I feel like if it was thicker, warm, and in a bread bowl, I'd be all for it.
With like some
If it
pita
was,
chips.
yeah. If it was like somehow thinner and like cold, I don't know what kind of meal that would be, but I would also have an easier time eating it.
That'd be more like a dessert.
It does kind of look like
Jell-O.
poorly made mousse, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Did you see it?
Yeah.
Did you
Yeah.
get a good look at
I did.
this? And the jar's sticky.
Yeah, I'm
Yeah,
sorry
it's
about that.
sticky
I'm
on
trying
the
to get the
outside.
labels off.
Well,
She's
ingredients
pirate.
though, you have
It
to
has
say
all the ingredients.
it has all of the ingredients.
By God, it has all the ingredients.
For better or worse, this is getting a yes on the ingredients.
Cause by God,
There's fucking bread in this.
everything.
What did you use to
A ninja.
flavor profile? I don't
Uh,
think it's got a Reuben's.
It doesn't. No, you can't taste the meat. You can't taste the cheese. You can't taste the bread. You can taste the Thousand Island and like a generally sour, salty flavor, but
Yeah.
after that, not much.
It's like if you just took some kind of flavorless like protein
Or something like that.
and then topped it with like Thousand Island and something sour.
Yeah.
So that's a no. Taste.
Tastes a little bit like Thousand Island, so that's good, but still probably gonna be a no. Just like based on presentation and everything. If it came on like a cracker, maybe, but
And, like, you
adding
didn't know what
a
it was.
cracker to it would not be Reubenizing it. So
And also, I feel like generally by taste, what we're really meaning is willingness to eat this. Okay.
I don't want to.
Would
eat
you
any
recommend
of it.
this?
No, I wouldn't. And I've eaten Flamin' Hot Mac and Cheetos, cheese mac and cheese, and it's also gross.
Okay. Keep catching me every now and then.
Yeah, it's yucky.
So, okay, but to get to the bottom of this,
The last quintessential question of the hour:
in our continuous
travels and
travels and studies,
from inside the house.
to answer the question,
It's coming from inside the house.
baby food, ultimately,
Will it Reuben? Resounding
No.
no.
it's gross.
No, it will not Reuben.
Don't do it.
Reuben it.
Don't Reuben it.
Just eat a Reuben. It's the same thing.
Don't feed it to your babies.
Let them eat a Reuben. It's the same thing. Could you imagine if you bit into a jelly donut and it was full of that?
No.
That'd be god awful.
Why would that ever happen?
Yeah, so it's a
So-
little jar of already chewed up Reuben. So I mean, I guess if you're
You're-
considering
I'm in the
3/4
middle
of the
of
way
eating.
through eating,
And you have to keep. We all get it.
you know what? You know what liquid was missing? Saliva.
Hmm.
That's what breaks it up.
That's why it's.
Gross.
Flamin' hot mac and cheese.
I bet the B-roll on this looks
Cheetos.
great. Just jars.
Yeah, it's just two
Just
jars.
gross
Just
jars.
2 jars. It's just 2 jars with your little baby spoon.
The spoon doesn't help either. I'll be honest with
I
you.
wish we had another one. They only had one, so.
The plastic tech.
Thought it was gonna be yogurt or something at first, and I was like,
I thought it might be ice cream, and I was about to be like, "What the like?"
no.
I was about to be blown away, even if it was gross. And this is impressive, but it's just gross.
Yeah.
Yeah, not good.
Diggle, you're an idiot.
Yeah. No, he did this on purpose.
Oh, has that just been in the way the whole? Can you see my? Oh, yeah,
Nope,
it's right
can't
there.
even see you.
No, you can see it.
What happened to the baby food?
It's in a Tupperware in the fridge because
Saved
Katie wanted to try it.
The baby food?
Yeah, it's blueberry and pear.
Okay. Well, I mean, because like again, what is baby food if not
The ingredients
food?
are literally just blueberries and pear.
Yeah. So like,
It's not about the
in
ingredients.
theory, that shouldn't be bad.
No, it's the fact that it looks chewed up. You can feed this to your baby.
I wouldn't recommend feeding it to
She
a
recommends
baby,
feeding
honestly.
this to your baby.
No, this is gross.
Diggle's
You Diggle.
Diggle's a masochist.
We should serve this to him one day.
Yeah.